Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on Oanda. Oanda is a global trading platform that serves clients from the multiple countries. To make your experience smoother, Oanda allows you to change the platform's language. This ensures that the menu, alert and messages appear in your preferred language, improving usability and preventing mistakes while trading. Open any of the web browser. After that, once you get into any of the web browser, in the top there's an address bar. Type down oanda.com and log in the top. Over here, type down your email, your password and select the captcha and go to the login. And once you log in, you'll get into this official dashboard of the Oanda. What you can do is in the top right corner, we can find this small settings gear icon. Select to this setting gear icon, and over here you need to go to this language. Look into the language option within the setting menu. Over here you'll find this menu. Choose your preferred language. Common option include any of the language. Here select this language and it will automatically say if it applied to the confirmed changes. The platform will refresh and menus, buttons and notification will now appear in the chosen language. You can return to your dashboard anytime and check if all section of the platform display the selected language. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to change language on Oanda. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.